In the second case, we're gonna have geometry setup. So instead of creating structural members by using weldments tools, we're gonna use extruded boss tools. So we have here the first feature, extruded thin, this one, and the second one here. And now we can see here how are they connected. This is not any connection, this is just one body gets into another body. And now we're gonna create analysis of this object. And we're gonna treat this object as a truss. So let's go to simulation and let's start with a new study. We go with static and let's call this Truss 2. And let's click OK. Let's open this, and here we have a solid body 1 and solid body 2. So let's first apply material, right click, apply materials to all bodies. Let's go with aluminum alloys, 1060, and apply, and now close. Now here we have a connections, component contacts, and we're gonna delete this one. So right click and delete. Now let's go to our solid body 1, right click, and let's go treat as beam. And now we can see that the icon is changed. Now let's right click, let's go edit definition, and let's go with type truss, and let's click OK. Now we can right click here, let's go treat as beam, right click, edit definition, and let's go with truss. So as we saw, SolidWorks automatically recognized those as a solid, and the software treated those objects as solid. And now we change to truss. Now here we have a new joint group, right click, let's go with edit. So we have here extrude thin 1, let's go with select, and let's select this one. And let's go with calculate. And now we have 3 joints. 2 joints for fixture, this one and this one. And here we have a new joint that we have created, where is intersection of those 2 features. Now let's click OK. And now we can go to fixture, right click, fix geometry. Let's go with fix geometry and let's choose this one and this one. And let's click OK. Now let's go again to fixture, fix geometry, and now let's choose user reference geometry. This one, and let's choose this joint here. And here down we have to choose face, edge, plane or axis for direction. And we're gonna choose here front plane. So we want to make sure that the formation will only along this front plane. So we're going to choose this plane, and here we're going to choose normal to plane. So any deformation that's normal to plane, it's not possible. And now let's click OK. And now we can go to define loads, right click, let's add forces, and let's go here with joints. We're going to have a force in this joint here. We're going to have along plane 1, and this one will be 2000 newtons. And here we have along plane 2, and we have 3000 newtons. Like this, and now let's click OK. Oh, we have to select the reference plane, OK. So here we have to select our plane, and let's go with front plane. And now we can see our forces here, and now let's click OK. Now let's go to mesh, right click and create a mesh. And now we can see that we have wall element per body.